this is our Lamborghini we bought from COPART. It's a track experience day car and I recently crashed it. Today, this car, this box of carbon from China, we've waited 3 months for this, installing it. Welcome to Cars at Limitless, I'm Sam and today we're putting £5,000 worth of Chinese carbon on our broken Lamborghini. Yes, the car still drives and here's me fighting the ramps because of the damaged wheels. Right, let's not mess about, let's just get straight into the car. We're not going to show you the carbon until we've got all the bits off of the car that we're replacing, starting with this rear diffuser.
Ignore that, that's what Sam crashed it.
Rear diffuser off, let's get that changed. Annoyed me from get-go. Do you know how much that was? You just bet.
20 quid.
Here comes Baby Junior in his new wheels.
What's going on with that one?
My dad broke it. My dad did.
Yeah, look, it's there.
Me? It wasn't me.
It was you.
Ah. So what have you called it now, Jasmine?
It's a boot. A front boot.
Right, so taking everything off, we've got to take these areas off to get round the lights so we can get obviously these bolts off of this section.
Pull that light up. We've designed this, put bolts in all sorts of places. Back of the light. Yeah, have fun around there.
Oh.
In the back of your light.
And that is one Lamborghini bumper off. Oh, looks rather empty. We've got a helper. And now it's time to unbox some carbon. I've not seen, the only thing I've seen of this is the side skirts. That's all I've seen. Oh, okay. You've got grey primer on your new bumper set. So far, this is what 5 grams of a carbon looks like. We've got side skirts over the back. Big bad boy wing. Look at this. What? Lovely and light. We've got 2 carbon fibre struts over there and your 2 end plates. Beautiful all weave carbon. I'm most impressed with it with them 2 door handles, the inner door handles here. Don't understand anything. These are to go inside the car that way, because the other ones have got screw holes, so they're going to replace them. And we've got 2 wing mirrors, outside caps, so they're our next job. And then we've got the big bad boy dirty diffuser, which is going to go on the back, replace that broken damaged one which has been smashed to pieces. And finally, let's get this bad boy out and see what this looks like. Voila! This is the half carbon front bumper, which Sam has got. Let's see, you've got bottom areas with your vents, centrepiece that comes out, which we need to fix into, but that's still all carbon. The other one, I think, on there. I don't expect this to just go straight on.
No, I don't expect anything.
I feel like we're going to have to drill some holes.
If we're looking at it, what's this big gap here for?
Maybe 4.
Right, let's just try it.
Up,
Put it up.
there, there.
Hold up, what about
Your lights. What lights?
there's no holes for them.
We're sending it, people.
Sending it, are you?
Yeah, we're just going to go for it. Ready?
Just templated, and Sam's now got a drill.
Oh, what was that? Drill bit. Oh, we're coming through. 3 months and £5,000. It's turned up and now we're going to cut it all up. Right. Cut them out, but we're going to see if they fit now.
The first light is now in, fits perfectly, because me and Sam are now skilled Lamborghini body techs. As you can see that side, beautifully in there. From this side, fits like a glove. Look at that. Fitment right through, not even a gap in between the light and the carbon fibre. I was named correctly, Jack, because I'm now holding this.
Jack's moaning about how long it's taken.
So what we have going on here is a little bit of a gap, because this is very flat and these are curved, Sam, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we're trying to see if we can get best fitment on them.
The fitment on the right hand side was the cleanest, we started there. Then moved on to the left hand side, which caused us a little bit of jib at that top.
The lovely piece of carbon fibre diffuser is now on the car. All we've got left is the Wolfbox light camera to go on the back. But that took about 2 hours to install that. First obstacle found. We got indicators either side here that go on the bottom of the wing.
They sit here. Is that?
They've got nothing made, no holes. Stencil up and that's going to work. Let's pick it up and see how it fits on the car first of all.
Or that
the big bracket. I don't know what that does something.
So my side at the minute, we're decent right through here, and this runs right the way around. Obviously once I push that up in there, that sits in a little bit better, and that's our indicator that goes in there. Sam's side, his problem is at the minute when he's pushing that, you can see that there, that's hitting on that bracket, which we're not sure what's for. A bit like a Mercer front end.
Cutting and fitting the front indicator light.
So what we're fixing is the kind of vents for the front radiators, and we've got little clips that looks like they were kind of glued in. We're going to fix these back in with some bolts.
So I think that so far it's not too bad. Obviously it's going to need work coming right through there. You can see we've got a little bit of a gap coming in here. And then we're going to see how we can screw these in to get to this side.
Yeah. Just need to pull that out, centre out now.
Final piece going in. The front, or just call it the fruit. The fruit.
Jack is fitting the wheel arch liners on the front, and I'm chasing behind fitting tyres.
Putting my new alloy on. You can see it's new because it's dented. So we put it back on and we can get this out of the workshop now. One, the workshop is needed, and for two, it'll be easy to get the rest of it done outside.
What Sam was meaning by more space is we need to get the wing mirrors off because they're what we're doing next, but we have to also then take the door cards off of the doors, so we need to get open the door up. But at the minute, we can't open the door up because the ramp's there. Sam, why are we under the car?
We almost forgot, we've got to put the side skirts on, and once we've got it out, you wouldn't better get it on. So we're getting the side skirts on. Jack will show you one in a minute. We've already got one set up and just pre-drilling it, and we're going to bolt it instead of tiger sealing it to the kind of side skirts the car's already got. So hopefully it's looking like pretty easy install compared to the rest.
Right, these are the side skirts. This is what goes in the car, and this is what sticks out on the back. So if we're looking at it, that will actually sit like that on the car on the other side. Lovely jubbly.
I need to stick my YouTube sticker on the front so everyone knows to follow us, subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Oh, what, in front of here?
Yeah. So that's a good time for you lot, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Just got carried away cleaning the side skirts next to me. I've done this little section here, and then realised that I'm making the side skirts so you can get them off. So whoever's cleaning it can take them off and clean it. Should just go straight up in. First, and then it goes for a wash.
Well, that was a lot easier than we thought, and seems a nice cleaner, simpler job. Then we'll see what they look like once we get it off the ramps.
If only the rest of this carbon was as easy to install as the side skirts, it'd be amazing. But wait for the wing mirrors coming up.
While Sam's buttoning up the last bits on the side skirts and fitting everything back on, I'm going to show you the diffuser from underneath. First time showing it underneath. Lovely big fins coming through here. As you can see, fits in lovely, really nice. It's a really nice diffuser itself. This is where the rain light needs to go. So Sam needs to order a rain light for that because the plug is up the back. But at the minute, little wolf box cameras there. Me and Sam are good Lamborghini.
We've been doing all this carbon so far, haven't we?
So far.
We've only got 4 lights on the dash.
So I've got to go backwards really delicately and try and get that back on that piece of wood so that Sam can get that ramp out without smashing the side skirt we've just installed. What?
One of the bits of wood have moved and pushing on the carbon now. On this back one as well.
So I need to go back. Oh, there's a hammer going on. I don't know what they're hammering. I can just see.
Oh!
Nothing. That's all I've got.
Heavy man!
Foot's flat to the floor.
What?
We seem to have no power.
Well, you're going to have to turn it on, turn it off again. No rivet.
Yeah, better now. So we didn't smash any carbon?
No. Now, much deeper. Oh! Carbon about to rub.
That's carbon on the floor. You alright?
Yeah, let's go. Steady. Nice and steady here, Jack. And you alright? Big hand. Hold up. Jack, we got a light out.
No way.
We have an issue.
Certified Lamborghini tech, let me fix it.
Left down one.
Oh, you bastard! So Sam is now looking to take the door card off the door handle.
Yeah, but that is just broken, and I found the locking works.
So this
we
is
don't
the
know if it's beautiful yet.
Comfort piece going on, like so.
Ah, it has fell off. So, I've taken apart this bit, and I've just pressed DLR off, and the car went up and down.
Oh, it's so lucky to see that.
Why are we on that button?
Here we go.
You've got to hold it.
Come on down. That's a bonus, we haven't got to fix that.
The button it's meant to work on.
What button's it on then?
This button.
Are they switched the wrong way around?
Well, that's what I'm saying.
They're meant to be the other way?
Well, that has got a yellow bit of tape on it.
That went in
Right, hold up. Let's try this again. Now we're pressing the lift button.
Yeah, it's going up now.
Press it, it goes down.
Yeah, lovely.
Aha! We are fixing things, expensive things, we are fixing them. Now let's see what happens with the wing. Ready?
Go! No!
Camera's working.
Can you see me?
Not much, but yeah.
Yeah, blurry.
Good signs, people. We have a light on here, which is red. Right, you ready? No.
Well, we're going to leave this for a minute because it's not going to plan, but we did fix the front lift and the camera, so now Sam's got 2 reversing cameras. The moment we've been trying 25 minutes for, slide that. That will be in little pieces, this big.
So how long does it take the wing mirror cover off and change it?
You thought 20 minutes, unbolt all that. 2 hours we've been on. Right, so whoever Fruccio Lamborghini employed, even though he was in the grave, to make this wing mirror was a moron and wants me to disconnect all the pins out of the sockets out here,
This lot.
just so I can pull it through this little gap. So now we're going to modify the bracket. Sam's going to cut it through so we can just pull it out because we've already had 2 hours on this one wing mirror.
We are clever
I'm
people.
of genius.
Why was that designed already?
Yeah, why did they not have that cut out there? It's improved it now for next time I take the wing mirror off. Yeah. We have improvised and made it better, haven't we, Sam?
Yes, we
so
have.
now the cable can just be pushed through in all
scenarios.
like so. So fitment is getting there, Sam, isn't it?
So guys, a little bit more modification to the wing mirror than we liked because it doesn't fit basically because this is curved and it should be straight. So we've had to get this bit out, so we'll give it a little bit of a clean up with a Dremel and hopefully the glass will fit in nice and snug and it's in the position I need it to be.
Move that light, move it out the way.
Oh.
No, that was it come off. It was on its final straw. So I missed a piece of carbon fibre that shouldn't be there. And put it in.
What are you talking about? So yeah, wing mirror doesn't look too bad. Yeah, nearly 2 hours.
Right, Sam's now just gone to drop off his new tyres and wheels so they can get all mounted together so we can get to Silverstone. And me and Johnny are going to bang the other wing mirror and door card off, ready for when Sam comes back so we can put everything back together. Finally say goodbye to the old door handle. We've got one more screw to get out. So this time I've taken out the speaker card so I can get right up into it nice and easy. Ripped out the broken wing mirror and Johnny's now just finished cleaning that up because me and Sam put a load of Tiger Seal in there. It's broken. So you should have ordered a whole new arm.
Yeah, but they're £900.
You must be able to find one better than that.
While waiting for the sections to dry with the super glue, we are going to try and get this wing to lower by about 1 inch. Ferrari SFX something or other on YouTube. He said I can get a socket in here, which is where I'm guessing it is, and I'm going to see if I can get that on and get it to lower that last little bit.
No.
So what if I went the other way with it? Aha, we got her.
Not again.
Yeah. So guys, we've got a perfect fitment back in for the rear spoiler. Here comes drinks and beverage manager.
Thanks, Giovanni.
Oh, Giovanni.
I have superglued myself, my fingers together, the cloth to the wing mirror and the back of the wing mirror, but we are now together in one
There you're in a
piece.
state because your hair.
Oh, that seems fairly decent.
Just seeing how the door handles go on. When I bought them, they said they will need modification. to go on. The only thing that doesn't need modification was the side skirts here. So
You want to be mainly in the centre?
So we're jumping on the wing as time is cracking on, and we've got what, 4 hours before we go. So we're going to hopefully get this done for the Tiger Seal so it can dry. Otherwise, this wing is coming off. Wing is going on. We've had to do some pilot holes on the inside here because me and Sam were not certain that that's got 1 drying time and 2 going to be enough to hold that big wing down. So, in there. Right, now you can hold them there. That one looks square and that one looks ever so slightly on an angle. I can twist them in a sec. Pop. The boys fitted the rear wing, we're just letting it dry. I'm going to go and get tyres and rims. They're all together, and let's see what the boys think once I get back with them. So I'm back. What are you doing, Jack? Looks like something else is going on here. What is this?
Jack, trying to redo the airbag.
If it stays on?
Yeah.
Right. I'd give the kit like a 7.5. Fitment's alright, but the fitment's a bit... Not so much the fitment, it's just all the little fiddly bits, all the little holes that should be drilled out. And that tape looks different to the others.
Sticks better, but it's a cunt to fill. Time is 3 o'clock dead on Friday.
Yeah.
And we've got 30 minutes to get going. All we got left is Tommy's just taping up the winglets, just because all these is just glued on, as you see. So we don't want them to come off on the motorway. From that, we are ready to rock and roll.
Take that with me.
Yeah.
The only thing is we don't know if anything's going to stay on, we don't know if anything's going to rub. We're just going to hope, pray and get ripping.
So since the boys have just obviously upgraded and put this new wing on,
It comes down and cuts your head.
So what do you reckon? Is he certified or not? So look, if you squint like this, it's level.
That is a close for this video and the carbon kit. If you'd like to see how we get on with the carbon kit and the Lamborghini going to Silverstone, make sure you subscribe for that video to be released. And if you'd like to see more on the Lamborghini, there is lots of videos in our playlist, and I will link the buying the Lamborghini from COPART in the description below. So check that out.